Bienvenue dans Learn Haitian Creole. Dans leçon jodi, nous pourrons apprendre conjugaison verbe CA dans temps présent, qui côté pour nous faire omission plus exemple, qui côté pour nous pas faire omission plus exemple, et enfin nous pourrons joindre qui genre pour nous traduire quelques expressions anglaises qui utilisent verbe to be. Eh bien mes amis, on nous commencer. The verb say is the most important verb in Haitian Creole, and at the same time, it is the most complicated one as well. If you're learning Haitian Creole, you don't master it well, it can be difficult for you to understand the language. Generally speaking, its translation into English is to be. Unlike to the English verb to be, say never uses as an auxiliary verb. Its conjugation in the present simple is moi c'est, ou c'est, li monsieur c'est, li manze c'est, li c'est, nous c'est, yo c'est, moi c'est, ou c'est, li monsieur c'est, li manze c'est, li c'est, nous c'est, yo c'est. Moi c'est I am, ou c'est you are, li monsieur c'est he is, li manze c'est she is, li c'est it is, nous c'est we are, nous c'est you guys are, yo say they are. Say is used as a linking verb to talk about location, health, changing mood or condition, personal opinion in terms of taste in appearance, description, profession, point of origin, identification, and so on. The fact is, it must be omitted in negative sentences and when talking about location. Example, the food is on the table. The food is on the table. Manger sous table. Manger sous table. My mom is in the garden. My mom is in the garden. Maman nan jardin. Maman nan jardin. We are in front of the school. Nous devant l'école là. Nous devant l'école là. The cat is not under the bed. Chat la pa en bas cabane nan. Chat la pa en bas cabane nan. Health. I am fine. And you? Moins bien. Et où? Bien. Et où? She's sick. Li malade. Li malade. We are not ill. Nous pas malade. Nous pas malade. He's good. Li bien. Li bien. Changing mood or condition. The girl is happy. Fia content. Fia content. I am happy. Moins content. Moins content. The men are tired. Monsieur yo fatigué. Monsieur yo fatigué. Is he angry? Li fâché? Li fâché? Personal opinion in terms of taste or appearance. The food is good. Manger ya bon. Manger ya bon. Manger ya bon. The fish is delicious. The fish is delicious. Vien poisson an goût en pile en pile. Vien poisson an goût en pile en pile. The monkey is ugly. Macaque la laide. Macaque la laide. She's pretty today. She's pretty today. Manze belle jodi ya. Manze belle jodi ya. He's handsome today. Monsieur Shelbert jodi ya. Monsieur Shelbert jodi ya. Description. The house is red. Kaila rouge. Kaila rouge. The book is small. Livre la petit. Livre la petit. We are nice. Nous gentil. Nous gentil. Is it pink? Is it pink? Li rose? Li rose? They are old. They are old. Yo ancien. Yo ancien. Marital status. I am single. Moi célibataire. Moi célibataire. She is married. Li marié. Li marié. Say must be omitted in negative sentences, but it must be present when talking about profession. Example, you are a student. You are a student. Ou c'est étudiant. Ou c'est étudiant. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Moi c'est yon maître. Moi c'est yon maître. M'se professeur. M'se professeur. He is a lawyer. He is a lawyer. Li c'est avocat. Li c'est avocat. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. Li se yon miss. Li se infirmière. Li se yon miss. Li se infirmière. We are carpenters. We are carpenters. Nou se boss charpente. Nou se boss charpente. They are not soccer players. Yo pa footballeur. Yo pa footballeur. You guys are drivers. Nou se chauffeur. Nou se chauffeur. Identification. Religion. Race. Nationality. Gender. We are friends. Nou se zami. Nou se zami. You and I are fellow citizens. Ou même avem se compatriote. Ou même avem se compatriote. She is Catholic. Li se catholique. Li se catholique. Are you German? Ou se allemand? Ou se allemand? We are brothers. Nou se frères. Nou se frères. They are Haitians. Yo se haïtien. Yo se haïtien. In question with question words emphasized in some other instances, say generally changes to ye. Example, how are you today? Ki jan ye jodi ya? Ki jan ye jodi ya? Where are you now? Kote ou ye la? Kote ou ye la? What's that? What's that? Ki sa sa ye? Ki sa sa ye? Why is that? Why is that? Pou ki sa sa ye? Pou ki sa sa ye? When is it? When is it? Ki lè liye? Ki lè la fèt? Ki lè liye? Ki lè la fèt? What time is it? What time is it? Ki lè liye? Ki lè liye? Who's he? Ki es liye? Ki es liye? It is me. Se mwen liye. Se mwen liye. Where is the book? Kote liv la ye? Kote liv la ye? To translate to be from in Haitian Creole, you can use soti. Example, where are you from? Ki kote ou soti? Moun ki bo ye. You from Texas? Ou se moun Texas? Ou se moun Texas? Ou so Texas? He's from China. He's from China. Li sot an Chine. Li sot an Chine. Neymar is from Brazil. Neymar is from Brazil. Neymar sot nan peyi Brazil. Neymar sot nan peyi Brazil. I'm from Lekay. I'm from Lekay. Mse moun Okay. Msot Okay. To translate to be of in Haitian Creole, you can use fait avec or fait en. Example, the table is of wood. Table la faite en bois. The bag is of plastic. Valise la faite en plastique. Valise la faite en plastique. The windows are of glass. Fenêtre faite avec glace. The house is of stone. Car la faite avec wash. We are of earth. Nous faite avec terre. To translate to be broke, use raser. Example, I am broke. M'raser. M'raser. Everyone is broke. Tout moun raser. Tout moun raser. To translate to be lucky, use gen chance. Example, you lucky. Ou gen chance. Ou gen chance. Are you lucky? Ou gen chance? Ou gen chance? Everyone is lucky. Tout moun gen chance. Tout moun gen chance.